Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel by the way, as you can see in the title. I'm just designing my light box for no reason, because I was supposed to make a video of me making a cardboard cutout but instead it's just me designing my light box cause I was bored. And because I don't have cardboard also. And sorry for not uploading videos because of copper and I thought my channel will get terminated this 2020 but it didn't since. IDK but anyways let's go to the video right now. So thanks for watching this video by the way. I was supposed to post it last week but when I was editing on the car by the way, I got dizzy and it got lost on the car but after 3 days of finding it I finally found but anyway. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you want more content and yeah. Bye.